Adams, yeah, we're out here, end of guide season. Lots of change coming in my life. But yeah, just trying to get away for a day, escape the mayhem, shut the phone off, spend the day with my boy Yvonne, and see if we can fool a couple tiny little trout here on this small creek. Going back to my inner purist, you know, 3-weight creeking. I got my start doing small creeking, so it's always good to go back to the roots there. Feeling good, and I feel confident we might find a few in here. Just like that. Naughty, small stuff in here. That'll do. It's a little big, actually. Nice one, huh? Ooh, that's nice with the old parachute Adams right in the top lip there. Ha ha! That was fun.
Tiny fly guy.
Tiny fly guy, Mr. Small Fly.
Yeah.
Should we migrate?
Do whatever you want to do.
I might try to get one more. Pretty epic colors on that little fella, huh? Look at those white slashes on them fins. Got him. Look at that lunka. So good. Showed up to this nice small little creek, which we may or may not name, and started fishing a couple tiny little dries. We're getting the looks, we're getting the eats. Little parachute Adams, little Griffith snap, both proving to get it done. Being stubborn, haven't thrown any hoppers yet. I know we're gonna throw some hoppers here soon, but yeah, lots of overhanging brush. Kind of jungly in there, but very fun. Fooling a couple small trout up to the surface, very pure. Like I said, I'm going back to my purest instincts, you know. Oh yeah, this thing's getting eaten. Eat it under the tree. Got him. Got him. Under the tree. We're all wrapped up. Oh, there he goes. Look at that mess there. Oh, we got him under the tree though. That was pretty cool. Right where you're supposed to be, huh, fella? Oh!
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we're on the hoppers. We're on the hoppers. It's nice when they eat a big foamy dry fly. Yeah, they like the hoppers. They like the small stuff. We walked around, slowed it down, made the switch to the hopper. I actually didn't even make the switch to the hopper. My man Yvonne made the switch to the hopper. Said, I ain't casting those dumb little small flies. And then he started connecting with fish. He caught one at his feet. It was amazing. It was beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. They seem to be on the hoppers now. We started to hear them finally too, you know? Gotta love the hopper eat. Toilet bowl occurrence in here.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that was the fish of the day right there, Yvonne. And I just whiffed him.
I saw that.
Oh, that's as good as it gets right there. Yeah, I think we can end on that. Absolute snipe with the bow and arrow. Just how he drew it up. That was fun. Good sesh.
Yeah.
Nothing like a couple 8-inch fish just to take your mind off the real world and get a little reset out here. Good times, good times. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man. Thanks for coming on.